So welcome to Nacpan Beach. And look how wide it is. And this sand continues way out into the sea. And there's John. And that's the slowest banana boat I think I've ever seen. Been towed by a bangka, which is kind of funny. We've just arrived. This is the northern part of El Nido. And this beach is not only beautiful, it's insanely long. If you turn around, you go all the way here, all the way over here, all the way to here. It's about, I'm reckoning 4 to 5 kilometers. I might be overstating it a little bit, but it's huge. But it looks beautiful here. Absolutely stunning. So we've been on the boat for about 2 hours. The boat is out just behind John. You can zoom in. We've been on the boat for about 2 hours, and we're coming into the northern part of El Nido. We're going to stay here overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to probably do another little jump, and then I think the day after we'll be in El Nido. So we are coming to the end of our trip. This is the end of day 5. It's been a spectacular day. It's been actually a spectacular 5 days, and we're going to go and explore the beach a little bit and see what's here. But very cool. Excited to find out. I've never been here before, have we? This is our first time here. Jane and I always like first. There's a nice little dog. Looks very friendly, I hope. Hello, dog. Hey, little boy. All right, so I'll come back to you later. Sunset's looking good. I don't know where we're going to go, but I'm just going to follow John and Tracy and Jane. See you in a bit.